This kicks off with Alyssa Long, who's celebrating her 19th birthday. Alyssa has a marvelous, marvelous birthday in Neosho.
We've got KRYSTA Box celebrating birthday number 27 this year. KRYSTA is in Chanute, Kansas.
In Altoona, Debbie Beasley, a happy 55th, Miss Debbie.
All right. And Susan Downing turning 65 years old this year. Susan, looks like she's got her hands full. Loving it. Great family picture there. Susan is in Pittsburgh.
In Crestline, Stanley Ryan. He is celebrating his 80th birthday. A very happy one to you, Stanley.
All right. And we've got Miss Hazel Cooper celebrating another birthday. Hope you have a great one today, Miss Hazel.
Ron and Pat Olson are celebrating their 9th anniversary. Congratulations to you, Ron and Pat.
What a great picture there. Mike and Tina Omi are celebrating 31 years together. Congratulations to the Omis in Pittsburgh.
Bill Craig, he is celebrating number 64. Bill is in Jasper. Walter Fury, a happy 52nd in Joplin. And David Brown, he's turning 54. David is in Webb City.
In Girard, Steve McFarland wishing you a happy birthday along with Patrick Haggerty in Frontenac.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. There's where you can send them into birthdays@koamtv.com. You can also go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.